Hello South Africa. Unroadworthy truck impounded and fined 25,000 rand. National Traffic Police arrested a truck driver for driving an unroadworthy truck with smooth tires. The arrest occurred on the N12 highway near the Atlas Road 0FF ramp at around 8:30. The truck had heavy goods with steel estimated at 4 million rand. It was found in the middle of the road, causing a major traffic backlog. Upon inspection, authorities discovered the truck and trailer had numerous defects, including all 24 tires worn out with exposed wires. Due to friction and heavy load, some of the tires were rubbing against each other on the axle of the trailer, said Road Traffic Management Corporation. The truck is said to have been traveling from Germiston to Mpumalanga. In addition, the truck driver, a Zimbabwean national, and the operator from KMB Product Company did not have public transport documentation. They were both taken into police custody. The driver will face charges of reckless and negligent driving, operating an unroadworthy vehicle. The truck has been impounded and will not be released until all the defects have been fixed and 25,000 rand in impoundment fees has been paid. The suspects will appear in court soon, Road Traffic Management Corporation said. The RTMC would like to warn truck operators that their licenses will be suspended and criminal charges laid against them for failing to ensure that their vehicles are in a roadworthy condition to be operated on the roads, added Road Traffic Management Corporation. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.